Hello students, welcome to Smarter Engineer. Myself Shayan Majumdar from CSE Department of Gargi Memorial Institute of Technology, Maripur. Today I want to discuss you about our lab session. Okay, that is PCCCS 291, Programming for Problem Solving. That is our most common C lab, C programming lab. So we have already done some of our programs in the lab before lockdown situation, but now the situation arises like that. We are now in lockdown situation for COVID-19 due to COVID-19. So I have decided a process by which you have to do the program at your home and you have to submit it to me so that I can check that programs as well as you can prepare those programs for your exams, and also you can prepare your lab file. Most importantly, you have to prepare your lab file. So before going to the actual procedure, just want to tell you up to which we have already done. Please keep that file with yourself, and whenever our college resumes or reopens, then you can submit that file to me up to which we have done in our lab. Clear? Now come to the next part, because we have done only 20% or 25% till now, but rest of the lab syllabus is still we need to complete. Yes or no? I think yes. So just listen carefully. Here I am giving you 16-17 programs which actually covers all of your programming syllabus, and you need to write these programs. First you have to compile these programs on your machine and then execute these programs after compilation, and if there is an error, please correct it and again execute the programs. After that you have to write the programs in a Word file. Okay, but remember one thing, you don't need to write it by your own hand. Just type it in a Word file. Okay, so that's your lab file, and after completion you can mail me the Word file, or you can convert the Word file into PDF and then you can mail me. And your lab file should look like this. I am giving you the example how your lab file must look like. At first page, top of the page, you have to provide a welcome page where you can put any picture of Gargi Memorial Institute of Technology or any kind of like this, or you can put the logo, or after that you have to write the name, department, roll number, etc. You know that very well, and that's the cover page of your lab file. After that you have to put the index like this. You can see here, this is the index. This is your index, and there should be a page number at the last of the page, every page. This is the index. Yes, you can see there are 16 programs. Okay, so after index page you can start one by one, and how you have to write I am showing you. So what you have to do, first you have to compile the program. I hope you have Linux Ubuntu, and if you don't have Linux or Ubuntu installed at your machine, then please install Dev C++ or Turbo C++, Turbo C, which is a very lightweight program. You can download and install, and then just compile and execute the programs. And one thing for clarification, just remember, you can see there are so many programs in this index. You have already done that kind of program in the lab, but I would suggest do those programs also. I would suggest that please write each and every programs. Okay, it's a good practice to write programs. And remember one thing, here you can find total 16 programs like that, and you must submit this without any fail, must submit this within 25th of May. I think that's enough time to complete only 16 programs. Okay, suppose a program is just you find that program is tough enough, then you can give more time. I think that's why 25th of May is enough time. Within 25th I must need all of your submission within my mail. And what is the mail ID? Mail ID is, please write down the mail ID, GMIT, okay, GMIT CSE DIGITAL digital learning LEARNING @gmail.com. GMIT CSE digital learning @gmail.com. I will also put the mail ID in the description box below, don't worry. So within 25th submit these programs in a Word file or PDF file according to the proper design. Like the front page should be there with your name, roll number, branch, college name, and after that index page, and then you should write the program one by one. But keep in mind one thing, you need to compile and execute each of programs. And if you are thinking that you will not execute each program and you will download it from somewhere, or you will copy paste from somewhere, from Google or something else, you can do it, fine, very good. But after college reopens, I need each and every program from everyone must be submitted on the first day of college reopens as a soft copy. Clear? As a soft copy, that is .c file or .cpp file, you have to submit this. Or you can bring those programs with pen drives or laptops and can transfer me. Clear? I need each and every executable programs as a soft copy. Don't forget this. This is much more important, and your lab number is just dependent on this. this lab file and this programming. Clear? I think I'm clear enough. So before going to the programs, I will show you some example, but again I want to clarify one thing, that you must submit this within time, your lab file, and you must keep the executable programs with you. Whenever I ask, you can give me the soft copy also, but for just now within 25th I just need the Word file or PDF file of your lab copy of this 16 programs. Clear? In my email ID gmitcscdigitalearning@gmail.com. Now come to the next part, and if you have any query or any problem or issue related to some, install the Turbo C or Dev C like that, you can ask your friend or you can ask me, then I will guide you. But please call me. You all know my number, you all have my number. Please call me or WhatsApp me. Okay, then I will guide you. Now come to the next part, that is programming part. Here you can see total 16 programs. First one, write a program that will print your mailing address in the following form, that is name, street, city, pin. That's it. It will just print. Easy program. Like I have already completed the program, like print your name, like that only. Write a program to display the equation of a line. That's it. Number 2, relationship between Celsius and Fahrenheit is governed by the formula F is equal to 9C by 5 plus 32, from Celsius to Fahrenheit and from Fahrenheit to Celsius. And these are the page numbers, 5, 5, 6, 6. These are the page numbers actually. Okay. In question number 3, you can see two numbers are input. That means suppose X and Y or A and B, and the keyboard into two locations C and D. Write a program to interchange the content of C and D. We have already done this in the lab, but still do this, because you also need a practice. Okay, don't omit this that you have already done in the lab, but please do this. You can take help of my lab also. Whatever we have completed in the lab, you can take help of that program also. Just open your lab file and just get an idea. Area of triangle, we have also done it. Calculate the simple interest, we have also done it. Whether entry is leap year or not. Okay. And here are some patterns you can see. Factorial of a number, addition of factorial, or prime or not, odd or even. Write a menu driven program which has the following option. In one program there is the option 1 for factorial, 2 for prime, 3 for odd even, 4 for exit. Whatever I want to do, I can do it with this a single program. Okay. Then Fibonacci sequence. These are very common question. Then I have come to matrix, and these 16 programs are arranged according to your syllabus and in an organized way. You can see one by one I have just forward this to the next level. After that, addition of two matrices, 3 cross 3 matrices. Write a C program to arrange a set of numbers in descending order. Characters of the number of space in a string. Then I have came to string. String input, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Output. then structure, then text file, and then swap two numbers using pointers, string, structure, then you can see pointer. So these are the total 16 programs. Very easy programs. Just try. I have given you enough time to complete this. So if you have any query, you can ask me. But one request, please, from tomorrow, don't ask me, sir, please help us for this program, this program, this program. Not like that. First of all, try. 5 days or 6 days, you have to try yourself. Don't start asking me the solution from tomorrow. So don't ask me from tomorrow. Just try for 4 to 5 days. Then you have completed, suppose, 15 programs, and one program is just not executing. Then you can ask me. Okay, after of so many of trying, you are not able to do that program, then please show me the proof that you are trying. Just take a screenshot that you are trying but you are not able to execute that program, then you can ask me. But not like that. From tomorrow you are asking me, sir, what should be the answer of that program, what should be the solution of those program. Don't do this. Try yourselves. I have given you enough time. Okay, after that you can ask me with proper proof that you are trying and you are not able to complete the program. So now come to the solution part. Suppose number 2, you have to write the question again, that is, relationship between Celsius and Fahrenheit is governed by the formula this, and write a program to convert the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit and from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Then you can see here I have written the algorithm, which is a very good practice, because without algorithm we can't do the C program or any kind of programs. Algorithm is very much important for any kind of program. So algorithm is much needed for your future also. But you don't need to write the algorithm for now. You just put the question and then write down the source code like this. 2A algorithm, you just can skip if you want this algorithm portion, and if anyone you want to write the algorithm, please do so. This is a very good practice. I will appreciate the student who will write the algorithm also. I must appreciate the student who will put the algorithm also, but this is not mandatory. You can skip the algorithm portion and then you just put the source code like this, hash include stu.h, cona.h, main. You can see this. This is my program written in a very good form and well mannered. And after that, here is a box that is for output. Input is enter the temperature in centigrade 45, output Fahrenheit temperature 113. Just like that. Clear or not? You have to first put the question, then you can skip the algorithm portion or you can write, that's your choice. Then give the source code like this and then input output. That's it. Complete for one program. Then come to the next portion. 2B. Question was there on the top. Algorithm, you can skip this. Source code, input output. Then come to next part. 3AB. This is my question. Then algorithm of 3A. You can skip this or write this, your choice. And then this is the source code of 3A. And then this is the input output. Clear or not? This should be your lab copy. That's it. Anything you want to see? Any other question? Okay, suppose pattern. You have completed the pattern program also. Here is the algorithm 6a. First you have to write the question like this, then algorithm, and then this is the source code, and after that this is my output. Enter number of rows is 4 and it should look like this. You can see how properly organized is this. I have organized in a proper way. Okay, so just prepare your lab copy within 25th. Mail me, must, without any fail, if you want really good marks. And one thing, please, I am giving you the index portion also as a clear view, so that you can see the question. You can pause here and you can type the question. Remember, I will not mail you or WhatsApp you the questions individually. You have to see this video, pause the video here, and you can find question number 1 to 3. Just pause and see. After that, come to the next part, that is 3b to 5. Clear view. You can see this. Pause and forward again. From 6 to 8, clear view, pause. After that, you can see 9, 10 and 11 also. You can pause here. Okay, and write down the question also. I just need all of you to write the question also and write the program also, and for your help and for your so that you can easily submit this within time. That's why I have not told you that you have to write in a paper or you have to write by your own hand, but you can type in Word file, and also you can convert it into PDF if you want. So after that, come to the next part, that is from 12 to 15. You can pause here, and after that, this is your last program. So I think I have told you everything about the lab file submission. Still now, if you have any query, any question, please feel free to ask me in the comment section below, or you can WhatsApp me or call me anytime. You have my number. Thank you. Happy coding. Bye bye.